Today we're going to talk about the real number system and exponents. So just kind of a quick review over the real number system. So we have four kind of main categories. So we've got an overall big category, and then it breaks down smaller and smaller and smaller. So our first smallest category is when you were little, you started off with counting numbers. So when you learned how to count, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And so that's why we call them their naturals. When you naturally start counting, you start with 1. Whereas whole numbers are counting numbers plus 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So natural and whole numbers are the same, except whole number has 0. Then we have integers. Integers are counting numbers. Oops, my bad. They're whole numbers and they're opposite. Okay, so what we mean by that is it's positive, so positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0, and their opposites would be negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then our last one is rational. Rational is kind of the biggest category. So we've got rational, and then next year you'll learn about irrational numbers. So in 7th grade we do rational numbers. So it is any number that can be written as the quotient or fraction of two numbers with the denominator not equal to 0. So that's going to be fractions, it's going to be decimals. So in our next set of notes, we will kind of break down what kind of numbers actually go in each of those categories.